This is Brandon Welch again with clickscrazy.com, Panama City Beach website design company. And today we are creating this video particularly for clickscrazy.com clients, but really anyone can take a look at it and benefit from it, who are using WordPress as a CMS, as a content management system. Our site that we're going to demo on today is the Tapestry Park Homeowners Association. Now, we just launched this website today. So we're not going to cover all the different features of WordPress, but we're going to cover some of the highlights and different features that you, as a business owner, might use in WordPress and what you can typically expect when you have a WordPress or a dynamic website. So let's get started. So here we're on the home page of the Tapestry Park website. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, you notice that we typically put a little link for convenience to the admin control panel of WordPress, and this link will only show on the home page. Now of course you can always go up to your browser and type WordPress-admin to get to the login as well, so you can bookmark that. So we're going to go ahead and log in as the website owner here. And the first page that we're going to see is the WordPress dashboard. Now this is often a little overwhelming sometimes. It's got a lot of different boxes, a lot of different things, many things that you as a business owner don't really need to be concerned about. But what we're going to talk about today specifically is changing pages. Okay? So look over here in the top left, you see pages. You can go ahead and click that. Okay, so these are the main pages of the website. Now if I go back and take a look at the website, you'll see that these all pretty much correlate with each other. Okay, now I actually want to make a change to one of the pages. Okay, I like to add a little bit of a header here. This copy all kind of runs together and we kind of need to break it up and put a little subheading there. So let's do that together. So welcome to Tapestry Park. This is the home page. So I'm just going to click Edit here. Okay, you'll see I pretty much have what's called a WYSIWYG, very much like a Microsoft Word editor to basically change some of my content. And you'll notice that it's in visual mode right here on the right. You can also click it to HTML mode, which you will need to do in some cases. As you start to use the CMS, you need to learn some basic HTML functions. It will make things a lot easier and make your content look a lot better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my subheading here. Let's call it a beautiful place to live. Okay, so that's my heading. Okay, but now I actually want to make it look like a heading. So I'm going to go over here and switch to HTML mode. And I'm going to add an H2 tag. So this is a little piece of HTML that you can learn. See, I started it and I closed it in this format. And this basically says to the web browser, this is the first heading, the second heading on the page. You can guess what the first heading is, which is generated automatically. Well, this is the second one. Okay, so there we go. Let's go ahead and go over here to the right and just click Update. Okay, it's updated. You can click this link View Page, or I just have it here in my browser, so I'm going to go ahead and refresh. You'll notice too that once I've logged into WordPress and I visit the site, it automatically gives me options so that any page that I'm on, I can edit it or do a variety of other different functions. Okay, so there's my little headline right there. Looks a little bit better, doesn't it? So let's take a look at adding an image. Now what we'll do is I'm going to go ahead and delete this image here. So I'm going to click on it, delete. There we go. Now I want to add a new image. Just to show you what I did, I clicked Add Image right there. I'm going to select my file. Let's choose this one. Okay, it's been uploaded. You don't have to be too concerned with the alternate text, caption, and description right now. Maybe we can go over that another time. We're going to take off the URL because we don't want people to be able to click on the image and it actually go anywhere. And then we want it to align right, like it did before. And your web designer should set up preset sizes to make everything easy. So you just have to tell yourself, okay, do I want it a thumbnail, medium, full size, or if large is set, large. Well, let's just do medium. Okay, then I'm going to choose Insert into Post. You see it gives me a visual representation. Now this is not always accurate. And then I'm going to just click Update here again. So let's go back here and refresh our page. And there's our image. So there's many other different features of WordPress. This was just a quick tutorial to cover managing and adding and removing content on your different pages. This was Brandon Welch from clickscrazy.com. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments below.